Alright guys, so I just posted my first video. This is Chubby. So I realized there was a lot of crafts that I had done already and I didn't get a chance to record, and I really wish that I did. So I'm just going to kind of go through and show you the ones that I've completed and just kind of give you an update on what I have left to do. And I probably will end up and go back and do the ones that I really liked again, so that way I can record them and do a tutorial for them because I really did enjoy them. This is just a bee that I stained. It was really nice. It was from Michaels. It was on clearance, and I just stained it in a really nice brown, and it turned out really well, so you can hang it on the wall, just use it for decoration. I'm going to use it for a prop for a photo booth that I'm making. These are 3 burlap candles that I made. I really like these. They turned out really well. So this is just like a simple tall candle, and it's just white. I wrapped it in burlap and then I put that aqua ribbon around it. I just got the candles from the Dollar Tree, so it was like, to make each of these, it was really cheap. My sister over here, Chubby, hold it, she made this for me. So this is a, it's actually really cute. She used the burlap again, lots of burlap, lots of aqua, and this is a fake bouquet. We're going to use it for the toss. So she put white roses, she put some baby's breath, some blue hydrangeas, and then yeah, she did a really good job on that one, so good job, Chub. Chubby's about to be famous. Hold that again. And then over here, again, like I said, tons of burlap, tons of aqua, but it's the theme, so we're going with it. So we took one of these galvanized buckets. Trying to get in focus here. I'm still trying to figure out how to focus this thing, but it was already wrapped up top in the burlap. Abby, hold it. It was already wrapped in the burlap up top, so then I just took that aqua ribbon and I tied a bow around it, and it was a super simple design, but we're gonna use that as part of the centerpieces for the table. So I'm really pleased with those. We made a bunch of those, probably like 17, maybe more. So that was pretty cool. Let's see what else we have. These are our bridesmaids dresses. Some of us have them at the house. These are some fairy lights. I have a project I'm working on with that one first now, so I haven't completed that one. What else do I have over here? Let's go to, we hold this up, Abby. So this is what I made last night, and I'm so mad that I didn't record this because this is literally my favorite craft I've ever done in my entire life. So it's for a photo booth prop, and so I'm gonna, I think I'm just gonna end up making another one, because this was we literally did it 100% from scratch, and it was such a fun craft to make. So my dad, we took a piece of plywood, and my dad cut it out for me into the shape that I wanted. I bought all the flowers and the seashells from Dollar Tree. I painted on my wedding hashtag. I used some of my burlap and lace ribbon, and it was such a fun craft to make, so I'm definitely gonna have to do this one again. I'll show you. I don't know how the hell to focus this thing, but it was really cute. It was a really fun craft. Let me get over here. And then down here we did a little bit of this. Yeah, it was really fun. So yeah. So right here, these are picture frames I got. This is a craft that I have coming up, and it has a really nice texture on it. But I bought a bunch of these, and I'm gonna use this for a seating chart kind of thing. It's really cool. It's gonna turn out really nice, so I'll definitely record that when I make that one. Over here, this was just really simple, but this was a lot of fun to make. So this is just a wood log, and I painted it with chalkboard paint, used a chalk marker, and this is just a decoration that's going to be at my welcome table for our guest sign-in book. So it was a lot of fun. The back, you can see it's just a log, but really fun, really easy. These ones my dad helped me with again, so we took just a really long board of, I don't know, not plywood, I don't know what that's called. I don't know, it's just a really long board of wood. So me and my friend Sarah we cut these into like, I don't know, like 4.5 inches each, and we stained them 3 different colors. So the first one we did, let me put an example in here. So this was like a cherry mahogany. It's like a reddish color. So that's one that we did. And then another one, this was our lighter shade. This was called like golden oak. It's really pretty. I like this one. We decided to do all 3 colors because they were all so pretty and we couldn't decide. This is like the farmhouse brown or something. So when you put them all next to each other, you can see the 3 different shades. And so these are going to be like the table numbers. So we just cut them, painted them front and back with the table numbers. Still working on those. But it was really cool, and they'll just be sitting up straight like that. So I'll try to show you those once again. Just stained it. Let's see what else we have. Yeah, that's pretty much what I want to show you in there. Let's see. So then finally, this is the photo booth. This is like the big project that we're working on right now. My dad, my sisters have been helping me a lot. So basically I just got, let me turn it this way. I just got 3 10 feet lengths of PVC pipe, and the thickness is 1 1/2 inch. And we got some elbow joints. We got a tripod. It's like a wide joint or something. And yeah, I'll keep you guys tuned for that one. And then my last project that I did, I haven't completed this one again. I really wish I recorded it because it was so fun, so simple, so easy. But I'm still kind of finishing it up. But this is a welcome sign. Let me put it down. Hold on. So if I lay it down on the ground for you. So this is a welcome sign. I'm just going to make it for my house. And so when it's completed, I'll have like that at the top to hold it up. But it was a 3-pack from the Dollar Tree. It's these galvanized letters. It came with welcome, thankful, and grateful. So I took these blocks. They're pretty thin. My dad cut them for me. I sanded them down, and then I painted them white. After I painted them white, I sanded them again because I wanted to get that distressed look. Just took 2 simple shells, glued them on top. We drilled holes through, and we used this nautical rope, which was also from the Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree is the way to go, man. I love the Dollar Tree. It has so much, and there's nothing wrong with the Dollar Tree. Like, the Dollar Tree is awesome because it has like a variety of so many things, and they're like really simple products, and so you just kind of make it your own. So almost done with that one, but I have another pack of these letters, so I could definitely do another video on that one.